Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is our day 1 of the Sri Lanka travel, and we arrived December 18, although we left Philippines December 17 since we had a 15-hour layover in Malaysia. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We actually arrived around 4 in the morning, but since it was Sunday and my dad didn't have any work, we still decided to go on a tour, and for day 1, we went to Negombo. We're going boating. I'm gonna ride a boat and I don't know.
Catholic. You had seen the photos of Austria. This increases the beauty of Sri Lanka. This is the first bridge foreigners see when they are entering to Colombo.
We saw a lot of videos of tourists going on a boat tour here in Negombo, so we also decided to try it, and it was a very great experience.
So this abandoned canal was built during the Portuguese time. And,
already there.
there was a natural waterway, but not
They made it bigger and wider, and they made the path for boat to go around.
Yeah, to transport.
This is the Venice of Sri Lanka. This is the Venice
Yes.
of Sri Lanka.
Okay.
So as my dad said, this is like the Venice of Sri Lanka, and this was very fun for our day 1 trip here in Sri Lanka. We saw a lot of boats and a lot of birds as well. There were a lot of crows, and that's something that we don't really have a lot here in the Philippines, so I was really amazed.
You know, if you get example one of boat here, that size of boat. So I assume this is
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this song to be crystal clear. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is felt deep in my heart. And by chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come on,
only
baby,
vegetarian
stop
crocodile.
playing this game. We haven't known each other long,
It's very shallow. They call it down there.
but it's
Di ba
easy
totoo yan?
to say what
May crab yan sa loob.
that is.
We were given a chance to go down the boat, and we looked for shells. My mom really had a great time, as you can see here. And we also have this in the Philippines, but this experience was just very fun.
My heart and my chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come on, baby, stop playing this game.
So right now, I think my mom's looking for more shells, the big ones. So this is called the Jesus Island, and when you look down, it's very shallow. And a while ago, they showed me like the prawn egg, And there are a lot of shells as well, but can't really see it in the video. But the weather is very nice today, and it's very windy. It's not that hot, so the weather is perfect.
Sri Lanka is very peaceful country.
Sunken boat.
So if ever you're here in Negombo, I encourage you to also go to Captain Fernando's boat, and I'm sure you will also have a great time.
Like it's 1999. My kind of
And that concludes our boat tour. So next we look for a place to eat lunch, and we went to Seafood Embassy. And Sri Lanka is also very famous for their seafood, and their seafood here is just so fresh, so nice, so delicious, and it's also very cheap compared to the Philippines.
make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Tell me everything, like how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but
This is their squid, and we also got 2 big platters of seafood. It had some lobster, some prawn, crab, some stuffed crab, and also a stuffed clam. And the stuffed crab and clam was just so good. It was filled with meat and a lot of cheese as well. We also got their curry crab, and this is just one of the best seafoods I've ever eaten in my entire life.
it's over. Say you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine.
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I will be uploading more videos of our Sri Lanka tour. Bye guys, have a good day.
Somebody else is on your mind while